Okay. So learner want to work on junctions and time of his signal.
Okay.
Anything else you think you need to work on so you can work?
We'll find out, yeah.
You found it, yes. And I want you to prompt me.
Prompt you, okay, no problem. Move up when you are ready and take the next road on your right, please. Prompt करना होनी मतलब कि each signal पे prompt करना है
देते समय जो करना है
okay
जेडों ने क्या कि उन्हें प्रॉब्लम हो रही है
slow इनसे मेरा right mirror slow down because of the maneuvering बहुत है see the inside mirror right mirror just go level right inside mirror left mirror come back to your normal road position end of the road turn left please just slow down watch on your right okay? And the roundabout straight ahead take the next route on your right please pull up left at the safe place please now तो सिखाना कर left जाना cancel this one
Is it 4K?
Yeah.
59%.
Yeah, the 50% battery is there and 59 minutes recording can be done.
Okay. Okay, that's what we need, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My name is Amir. What shall I call you?
Yasmin.
Yasmin. Hi. Yasmin, what you want to work on today?
Probably junction, speed towards junctions, or whatever mistakes I make.
Okay, fine. Fine. And speed over the junctions, where do you think you scale yourself from 1 to 10? 1 is not good, 10 is good.
Right now, 6 maybe.
6, okay, fine. And what sort of help need from my side to control or work on your speed at the junction? You want me to prompt you or you want to take more responsibility on your own?
I think I'll take more responsibility, but if I need more help or guidance, then you can step in whenever.
No problem at all. See, can you see junction on your right hand side?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're turning at that junction, what speed you be turning with or approaching towards it?
walking distance.
And what is the walking distance? If I ask you number wise, if you look at your speedometer, what's number you looking at to drive towards?
Maybe like 5 miles per hour, anything below.
Okay, fine. And that 5 miles per hour, you're gonna do it like car length before, 2 car length before, or 3 car length before? You know what's the car length?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 car lengths before.
3 car lengths, okay.
Yeah.
Fine. See this junction on your right hand side
Yeah.
behind us? So what's the 3 car length from that junction?
Probably from that pole.
From that pole. You're right, yeah.
Yeah.
You had a good judgment there. I will say from that 3 car length, I want you to be at 8, maybe 10.
Okay.
So as gradually going towards it, then roughly 2 car length, you'll be at 5 miles per hour. Yeah, is okay?
Yeah.
Fine. Whenever ready, I'd like you to move off and we're gonna take the first road right, please. Move off. Sun might be a hazard for you. Do you know how to use the sun visor?
Yeah.
Maybe take the first road on the right hand side, please. What's your speed at the moment?
10.
Are we in 2 car length, 3 car length?
Yeah.
That's good approach there. What the hazard be looking around here?
Pedestrian.
Can you see any walking between the cars?
Yeah, at the end of the road.
Okay. End of this road, I want to turn left, please. If you look at the speedometer, is it dropping? Do you think bus gonna pull up left at the bus stop?
Oh, yeah.
That's fine. You're not doing anything wrong there. How's the after the motorbike?
Yeah. No, pedestrian. No, she's not.
No problem. That's fine. No worries. No worries. That's fine. I'll help you with this one. After the third car, see the left is clear,
Yeah.
right is clear. I want to come out now. Come this way. Turn. Come behind the bus, please. That's it. Just go behind the bus. And at the mini roundabout, we're going to follow the roadhead, please. Just keep that junction in your mind. We'll discuss on it here later on. How's the roundabout? On the right.
Nobody's coming.
I want to take the next road on the right hand side, please. It's just before there's a pedestrian crossing on the right hand side. With the red car coming. We can make it before the bus. Yeah. It's a little bit slower. You know why I said it's a bend a little bit slower?
There's oncoming cars.
This oncoming traffic is there. Yeah. I'd like you to pull up left hand side, please. Just after the parka, there's race curve, much before the double yellow, yellow zigzag, please. the left side there, before the zigzag, please. Be careful with the car on the right side. So just move forward so we don't block the driveway. Okay. Keep the brake on nicely, gently. Just find it there. Fine. Secure the car, please. If you can secure the car, please. Okay, just back there at that junction, the bus was coming right. We turning left there. How was that junction for you?
I think I hesitated.
And
No,
was
the bus
yes
threw me off because my obstruction was, and my view was obstructed
by the bus or by the pedestrian
by the bus.
on the left side?
Turning, yeah, on the left.
Yes, fine. Do we have to look for traffic from the left side? Do we have to look traffic from the right side?
The right. No, yeah, right side.
Right side. The right was clear to see.
Yeah, but I didn't know.
Can we go round the bus?
Yeah, I was thinking of going around the bus immediately instead
Yes,
of going
exactly.
behind the bus.
Why not we look first that we come out from the road or not? That is traffic from the right side.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Then we can manage over the bus. And as we turn left, the bus was given the indicator to move off.
Yeah.
Right? Fine. Do you want me to show you a diagram book or are you okay without a diagram book?